I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess
You were part of
yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on? Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Or sorry about that. Just put it back. Unbutton it. Sorry, Judge. I'm trying to.
Yeah, I can tell you're not accustomed to wearing a tie either. So.
No, well, I actually don't even like ties or ties.
No, I got you.
I've been trying that. Is it? Can you see it?
It's just to the side.
You don't mind? No, sir.
You want to straighten his tie too?
No,
No, that's okay.
I just want to be presentable.
I appreciate the effort.
All right. Torshell Fuster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Cross. Mr. Cross, please state your name for the record.
Carlton Dion Cross.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to the prosecutor on this case. Sounds like a global is in the works here that might involve sobriety court. If we could have an adjournment for 3 or 4 weeks, we can see where we stand.
It's my first date, March 4th. I'll adjourn the matter March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. And you're looking to get it into a sobriety court.
That is the global offer.
Okay. All right. Bond will continue. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
We'll be in touch.
Courthouse case, people versus Comaria Davis.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
What is that? Torshell Fuster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Davis, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name when you get to the podium.
Right up here.
Thank you, Judge. I have to my client, and I have read the notes in the file. It looks like we are requesting a brief adjournment. There are some videos in this file that Ms. Davis wants to watch before she determines how she wants to proceed, and she will be watching those this morning.
Before we dive in, just a quick note. This commentary is created for educational purposes, designed to help those who may be confused or curious about courtroom processes. If you don't find it helpful, feel free to skip ahead. But for those who want a deeper understanding, stay tuned, it's about to get intense. Today's courtroom session is packed with everything from retail theft admissions to missed court appearances and guilty pleas. We're about to see how a single decision can trigger serious legal consequences. Watch closely, because one defendant is about to learn that failing to appear in court can create a whole new set of problems before their case is even heard. The twists in this hearing are only getting started.
Morning after court.
February 18, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
People
Court calls the case, people versus Rick Artuso.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
What do you mean he's not here? Artuso here? Him or counsel. And you haven't heard from Mr. Bridges? Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond $5,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls the case of people versus Ricky Burdett.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
You do not have consequences.
Where's his attorney? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your
What's
Honor.
your name?
Ricky Burdett.
Do you know where your attorney is?
I do not. We'd agreed to meet at this time. I do not know where my attorney is. So I'm speaking for myself, I guess.
Well, no, you're not, because they filed a substitution of attorney, which I signed off on, saying that they were going to represent you. So you're going to be represented by counsel. Do you have a phone number for him at all, sir?
I do. It's
All right.
I may have it here. My phone is in my vehicle.
Oh, okay, I got you. So, we're gonna give a call to his office, find out where he is. So you can have a seat. I'll pass the matter. Okay? I'll call it up in my next block.
Do you mean wait on him to come?
Yes.
What if he does not show like today?
Pardon?
What if he does not show today? Like for hours, you know?
I don't know. I mean,
It was agreed. That was his,
okay.
that's his
Sir,
responsibility
what
to
do you
come.
want me,
I showed
what
up.
do you want me to do? I can't.
I want you to let me speak for myself then.
He has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the,
Thank you. No. The other lucky person is recall the case, People versus Tatiana Tedder. Is she here?
Good morning, again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Carolyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tatiana Tedder.
Your name?
Tatiana Tedder.
Okay. I had faith that you'd show up.
Yeah.
You're no, go bring the baby with you. For goodness sakes. Of course gonna cry. When Alan leaves me, I cry.
Okay, sorry about that.
See? Why are you shaking your head?
Because he's just giving me a rough day today, so, yeah.
That sweet little child.
Yeah.
I know it's not your fault. All right. I have before me a plea form. She's going to plead to the charge of retail fraud, second degree. Correct?
Correct.
There is also a sentence recommendation or a sentence agreement of the prosecutor's deferred.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct.
All right. Just, what is she?
I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. The baby's doing nothing.
Yeah, he's just heavy.
He's just heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Okay. She can sit down if she wants.
No, it's okay. He's gonna cry. It's okay. Thank you, though. No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Then
positive.
quit complaining.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah.
To be sure?
You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Tatiana Tedder.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud, second degree.
Yes.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
June 11, 2025, at the location of 31458 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at TJ Maxx that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items. Just speak for me, right? Okay. I took some items. I was with another person, but I guess
You were
everything-
part of
Yeah.
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
Correct.
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
Correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
Correct.
And are we doing this on the price?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Yes,
Your Honor, if I can voir dire her.
Go ahead.
You and your friend both took some items, correct?
yeah,
And the amount that
came together, yeah,
total between the two of you was over 200, right?
correct.
All right. Ma'am, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea, if it be between the time of the plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, I
Is
do.
counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Ma'am, on your way out on the left-hand side, you and the baby need to stop by probation to make an appointment.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Be nice to that little, how old?
He's one.
He's one.
better be
He's just,
nice to me,
he's
so.
just one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Not
you, Your
that
Honor.
heavy. Bye. No, that's for, we'll call, you're gonna try to call on that one. All right. I'm all set then, that block,
That's 9 a.m., yes.
and then we'll start the next block. Are you gonna be ready, Feaster?
I think so, Judge.
All right. First thing in recess.
All rise.
Plea form, those charges, counts one indicating would be dismissed. Guilty of two defendant is agreeing to pay restitution offenses. That's counts 4 and 5.
Yes, Your
upon
Honor.
her successful plea to that charge, those charges,
Raise
counts
your right
1
hand.
and 3
You
would
solemnly
be
swear to affirm the
dismissed.
testimony you're about to give.
Defendant is agreeing to pay restitution.
Elizabeth Raggett?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
Your
is this
Honor.
court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to two charges
Right hand.
of failure to
You
report
solemnly
an
swear to affirm the
accident.
testimony you're about to give.
Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $100
Elizabeth
fine plus
Raggett?
court costs. You understand that?
I do.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to two charges of failure to report an accident. Those are misdemeanors punishable by up to 90 days in jail. To that same charge as contained in count 5. How do you understand that?
I do.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial. So, wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
You signed an advisory rights form, is that correct? Is contained in any questions regarding those rights? To that same charge. Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial. Those are rights which are part of a trial. You understand by signed an advisory rights form, is that as well as all the rights on that. Any questions? You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of rights? Please look at paragraph. Are you on probation or parole? Form,
I am
you'll
on
see a copy. Were you on probation at the time of this trial? You understand by pleading guilty. Has anybody promised you anything? Rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
Other than what's giving up your right to appeal of what you to plead.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Are you on probation? Has anybody threatened you
I am
or
on
forced?
probation. No, sir.
Were you on probation? You're doing this voluntarily?
No, I am.
Has anybody promised you anything? And because you, other than what's been said, guilty of these offenses?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or forced?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily?
I am.
Of your own free will? And because you 27, 2000, guilty of these offenses, 25 at the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive in Pittsfield. On the date of Michigan, March 27, were you operating a motor vehicle? 25 at the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive. And in operating that motor vehicle, were you involved in an accident?
Yes,
Were
sir.
you operating a motor vehicle?
I was, sir.
Were there two accidents?
There was multiple, yes. Yes, sir.
All right. And in operating that
You
motor
knew that you
vehicle,
were involved in an
were you
accident?
Involved in an
Involving-
accident, one involving a Subaru and one involving an F-150. Were there two
I
accidents?
saw the first one and the airbags deployed. No, they'll make it
And
the second, but I did.
You
No, they
knew
were
that
not.
you were involved in an accident?
did.
Knowing that you were involved, one involving
but you knew
a
that you
I
Subaru
did.
and one involving
Or had struck another
F-150.
vehicle.
I did, sir. I did. I
All right.
saw the first one
And
and the
in
airbags
doing
deployed.
that,
No, they'll
did
make it the
you
second, but I did.
report that
No, there were
accident to the
multiple.
nearest
All
and
right.
most convenient
Knowing that
police
you were
station?
involved, but you knew that
Did
did,
you
yes.
stop
Had
at that
struck another
location
vehicle.
and provide
sir.
information?
I did not, sir.
And
do either
in
one of
doing
No,
that,
sir.
did you report that accident to the
Ma'am, if I
nearest and
accept
most
your plea,
convenient police
I did
station?
not, sir.
I do have
Did
to
you
advise you to
stop
stop
at that location
time I
and
accept
provide
your plea and time of
information?
I did
sentencing.
not, sir.
You didn't do either one of those. Misconduct is defined under Michigan court rules.
That
Ma'am, if I
you would
accept
not
your
be entitled to
plea,
withdraw your plea and the court would
I
not
do
be
have
bound
to
by
advise
any
you to
sentence
commit
recommendation or
misconduct between the
evaluation.
time I accept your plea and the time of
All right.
sentencing. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that have led
you would not be
to
entitled to
this
withdraw your plea and the court would
No, Your
not be
Honor.
bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation?
I
And
understand.
have I complied with court rules? Counsel,
Yes,
are
Your
you aware of any
Yes, Your
other
Honor.
promises, threats, or other
Court will accept the
inducements
defendant's
that
pleas
have
of
led
guilty
to
to
this
counts
4 and 5,
No, Your Honor.
counts 1, 2, and 3? And have I complied with court? Yes, 1, 2, and 3 are
Yes, Your Honor.
dismissed. Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty. Defendant is referred 4 and 5 to probation 1, 2, and 3 for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be defendant is referred 2002 probation 9 a.m. for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution.
Yeah, I'm going.
Sentencing in this matter will be
Kimberly Douglas.
March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will be.
Ron King on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going.
Court calls the cases of People versus Kimberly Douglas.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron King on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Your name, ma'am?
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
Thank you. I have before me 2 plea forms indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file. Your name, ma'am? Of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. Thank you. In the case ending in 109.5, indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file. And in the other matter, 3rd degree, there is no case ending in 109.5. Those are added count to restitution to count 1 in each case would be dismissed. And in the other matter,
Yes, Your Honor.
there is no other submit, but
Raise your right hand.
those are added
Solemnly swear and affirm
count
the
twos
testimony
that she's
you're about to give
pleading
will be
to
the truth,
count
the whole
1 in
truth,
each
and nothing
case
but the
would
truth,
be
so help me God.
dismissed.
I swear to God.
State your name, please.
Kimberly
Yes,
Sue
Your Honor.
Douglas.
May I have it? Ma'am, it is this court's
Raise your-
understanding you're gonna
raise
plead
your right
2
hand.
counts of retail fraud.
Solemnly swear and
In the
affirm the
3rd
testimony you're about to
degree.
give will be the truth, the whole truth, and
Yes.
nothing but the truth. so
Okay,
help me
those
God.
are misdemeanors,
I swear
punishable by
to
up to
State
93
your name,
days in
please.
jail,
Kimberly Sue
$500
Douglas.
fine plus court
Ma'am,
costs.
it is
this court's understanding in each case could be increased of retail fraud, property taken that's greater than $500, that would become the
Yes.
maximum fine. Those are misdemeanors,
Yes.
punishable by up to 93 days in jail. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to plead guilty? The
Yes.
fine in each case could
To
be
the charge
increased
of
to
retail
temporary
fraud,
property taken
3rd
that's
degree,
greater
as
than
contained
$500,
in the
that would
case
become the
1,
maximum fine.
2,
You understand that?
Yes.
-1095. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to
Guilty.
plead guilty?
Yes.
To that same charge as contained in the other case ending in 1776, case 123 dash
Guilty.
1095. And you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Correct.
To that same charge as
You signed an
contained in
advice
the
of
other
right form,
case
is that
ending in
correct?
1776. Any
Any
question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look
Guilty.
at paragraph
You
5
understand
on
that by
that
pleading
form.
guilty, you will not have
to
trial
trial
of
of a trial. You
Correct.
understand that by pleading, you signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
It's hard for
Any question regarding
No, I
any of
got
those
that.
rights?
No.
But please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading.
Paragraph 5 is right. It's hard for her to see on the podium.
No, I got those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of
Paragraph
rights.
5 is right.
What is it?
You're giving up your right to appeal of rights. Those are your rights, which are
Yes.
part of a trial. You understand
Are
by
you on
pleading guilty, you'll
probation?
be giving up those rights as well
Are
as
you
all the
on
rights of
parole?
that form.
No. Yes.
Does anybody
understand
promise
you're
you
giving up your
anything
right to
other than what
appeal
was
of
stated here today to get you to plea?
What is it?
You're giving up your right to appeal of rights.
No. Yes.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes. No.
of your
Are you
own
on
free
parole?
will.
Yeah.
Does anybody
Because
promise
you
you
believe that
anything
you are
other than
indeed
what was
guilty?
stated here today to get you to plea? Beginning in the
No.
case
Anybody
ending
threaten
in
you or coerce you?
1095. You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will.
Yes.
Because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
On the beginning in the case ending in
30th,
2023 at the location of 3090 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, What did you do at the CVS on the date of
I had sent some Budweiser and some soup.
2023 at the location?
I'm sorry?
Some Budweisers and some soup.
All right, so you got Budweiser's and soup, and you tried to walk out of the store without paying for them?
That makes you think that
The store was open to the public
I
at
had
the
sent some
time?
Budweiser.
You didn't have anybody's.
This is a critical moment in the case. By accepting the guilty plea, the court is officially moving from determining guilt to determining punishment. Notice how carefully the judge reviewed the defendant's rights before accepting that plea. That's a key safeguard in the justice system. What makes this situation especially interesting is that the total value exceeded the legal threshold for the charge, turning what might seem like a small theft into a criminal conviction with lasting consequences. What do you think? Should first-time offenders receive more leniency, or should the law be enforced exactly the same regardless of circumstances? Let us know in the comments.
I'm sorry?
Some Budweisers and some soup.
All right, so you got
All right, and the
Budweiser's
property
and
that
soup,
you
and
took,
tried to walk out of
that
the
was
store
property
without
that
paying
was
for them?
offered for sale by
The store
CVS.
was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody.
On the other matter, on the date of
No.
February
All right, and the
25th,
property that you took,
2023, at the
that was
location
property that was
of
offered for sale by
3825
CVS.
Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan.
What did you do at the Meyer
on
that
the
makes you think
date
that you're
of
guilty?
I also
February
had went in
25th,
and got some
2023, at
food,
the location
some
of
dinner, and then
3825
got some
Carpenter Road,
liquor.
Pittsfield Township,
All right.
Washtenaw County, State of
And you tried to
Michigan.
leave the store without
What did
paying
you
for
do
them?
at
the Meyer that makes you think that you're guilty? All right.
I also had
And
went in and
the store
got
was
some
open to the
food.
public at the time?
There was dinner and then.
You didn't have
got some
anybody's
liquor.
permission to take that property, did you? And you tried to leave the
And
store
that
without
property
paying
you
for
took
them?
from Myers, that was property that was offered for sale?
And the store
Ma'am,
was
if I
open to the
accept
public
your
at the
plea,
time?
between the time of my acceptance of your
You
plea.
didn't have
and this
anybody's
case, and the time
permission
of
to take that
sentencing.
property, did
If you commit misconduct, there's a fine.
And
The
the
property you took from Myers, that was
You would
property
Zoom.
on
I
5,000.
did reach out to him by
Given
phone.
10%
We
privilege,
were not
that
able to
warrant
reach
will issue
him.
immediately.
I'm not sure why he's not present. I request a show cause.
Court does call the case
Eventual
versus
versus
defendant's failure to appear.
Conrad Soler on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Given
Ron Brown
10%
appearing on
privilege, that
behalf
warrant will
of
issue
Mr.
immediately.
Smith.
Thank you, Judge.
Please state your
Court does
name.
call the case
Jason
versus
Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
Conrad Soler on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith. 26, I'll come see. Please state your name. You gotta get the
Jason
date.
Smith, Your Honor, how are you? I'm very good. Yourself?
2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an
All right,
adjournment.
Bond.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
26, I'll
Court
come.
calls the case of the people versus Wilmer Hudson,
You gotta get the date.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Assistant Pope Defendant on behalf of
All right,
Mr.
fine.
Hudson.
Thank you, sir.
State your name when you get here.
Court calls the case of the people
Thank you.
versus
Thank you,
Wilmer
Judge. I just speak to
Hudson.
Mr. Hudson about
Take
this.
your hands out of your pockets, please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some videos in his file he wants to watch. We can have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th,
Thank you.
2026, 9 a.m. Bond. Take your hands out of your
Thank you,
pockets,
Judge.
please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some
Court
videos
calls
in
the
his
case
file he
people
wants to watch.
versus
We
Noman
can have an
Khan.
adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th, 2026.
Ron Brown
9
appearing on
a.m.
behalf
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
9 a.m.
Okay.
We'll be for that.
Okay.
Court calls the case people versus.
Sir,
Noman
please state
Khan.
your name.
Noman Rahman Khan.
All right.
I'm requesting an adjournment so I can,
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been.
Sir, please state your name.
adjournment,
Noman
February
Rahman Khan.
18th, 2026.
I'm
9
requesting an
a.m.
adjournment so I can,
Thank you.
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been. It's the last
Court calls the case of the people versus
February
Joshua
18th,
Wall.
2026, 9 a.m. Here we go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. He's not. Court calls the case of the people versus Joshua Wara.
Your name?
Joshua William Wara.
Here we go. Did we get a report?
Your Honor, I do believe that we
He's not.
received I have this.
Yes, I see it.
Dated January 14th, our office received.
Joshua William Wara.
I would stipulate to the entry of that report and that to the court, I believe that it was competent.
Yes, yes, I see it. Mr. Wara, did you want to
Our office received, I believe, on the 20th.
review this report?
I would stipulate to
This
the
is a
entry of that
competency report.
and
It found you
that
competent to
it
stand
was
trial.
competent.
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
I've
it's
already
competent,
reviewed
it's
it.
competent.
Okay.
I had a
Mr.
question.
Warra, did you want to? Okay, go ahead.
Is there any way I could get
Review this
bond reduction
report?
by chance?
Well, I'm not going to deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with this part of it.
Okay,
Yes,
Your
do you
Honor,
have
I've
any
already
objection
reviewed
to
it.
what's contained in the
I had a
report?
question. No.
Okay, you don't mind the
Is
court
there any way I
considering
could get
that
bond
determination of
reduction by chance?
competency?
No, Your
Well,
Honor.
I'm not going to deal with the bond
Based on
reduction
a
right
review
now.
of
I've
that
got to deal
report,
with
the court
this
would
part.
find it.
Okay,
when
Do
it
you
is
have any objection to what's
trial.
contained in the report?
Specifically, the court would find
Okay,
that
you don't
the
mind the
defendant
court
rationally
considering
assisting
that
his defense
determination of competency?
and does
Your Honor.
understand the
All right.
nature and outcome
Based
of
on
the
a review of that
proceedings
report,
against
the
him,
court would
therefore
find
the
that the
defendant
defendant
is
is
being competent. In trial, specifically, the court would find that the defendant can rationally
And
assist
since
in
he
his
does
defense
not have counsel in this case,
and does
Mr.
understand the
Cook, if you
nature and
could
outcome
please
of the
bear
proceedings
copy
against
for the
him,
court.
therefore the
I
defendant
believe
is there one
we've
incompetent.
already done that, but if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second.
And since he does not have counsel in this case,
So
Mr.
I
Cook,
will-
if you could please.
I'm
bear
currently
copy
trying to
for the
retain a
court.
lawyer.
I believe.
Is there one in there?
We've already done that, but if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second. So, Mr. Warren, you say you're trying to retain one, so I will.
I have a public currently trying to retain a lawyer. Gino for my felony.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she's not present.
Mr. Warren, when you say you have a public defender,
Yes.
is that on your
I have
other
a public
cases?
defender, Hannah. That's on
And
this
also
one. She
Gino
was here
for
at the
my
last hearing.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she is not present.
Okay, when you say you have a public defender, is that on your other cases?
So
That's
you were
on
represented by
this one.
Hannah
She was here at the
Apple
last hearing. Yes, Your Honor.
at
Hannah.
another proceeding. Was that before me though?
No, yes.
Yeah, I think that was a PCC.
So here's the problem.
Okay.
On this case, you
So
don't have.
you were represented by
attorney
Hannah
assigned.
Apple.
Did you want,
Yes,
hang
at
on. Did you want me to
another
assign the
proceeding.
public
Was that
defender to
before me,
represent you on
No,
this?
yes, I would like
Oh, yeah,
legal
I think that was a
representation for now.
PCC. All right, thank you.
So here's the
for-
problem.
Then
On
this
this
is a
case,
public
you don't
defender case.
have an attorney assigned.
On behalf of Mr.
Did you
Warren,
want, hang on.
Your Honor,
Did you
now
want
that
me to
he's been
assign the
found
public
competent, will you
defender to
set another
represent you on
pretrial
this?
date?
Yes, I would
I
like
will.
legal representation
Earliest
for
date
now.
All
possible.
right,
He-
thank
I'll
you
adjourn it to
for-
February,
And this is a
February
public defender
18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, now that he's been found competent, will you set another pretrial date?
Yeah,
I
what,
will.
Earliest date.
what's his
possible.
other?
I'll adjourn it to February, so the date is February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
That's the bond, Your Honor.
Yeah, what's his other bond? So
Your Honor, looking at.
here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain why. I'm gonna keep your bond where it is so that you're getting credit on this case. Because even if I change it, you're not gonna go anywhere. Because you've got a bond on. Here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain
Your Honor,
why.
with the
I'm
parole
gonna
hold, I
keep your
believe
bond
that I
where
do
it
not
is
get
so
any
that you're
time
getting credit
accredited
on
towards
this case.
anything because I have.
Because even if I
parole.
change it, you're not gonna. Theoretically, yeah. Because you've got a bond on the other case. Wouldn't
Your
matter.
Honor,
Well,
with
if
the
I set a
parole
PR,
hold, I
then
believe
you're
that
still
I
not
do
gonna
get
go
any
anywhere.
time
So it
accredited
doesn't.
towards anything
It-
because I have a parole. I
Well,
believe my agent would lift my
theoretically,
hold if I was
yeah.
able to
I mean, you're
postpone.
right, but. Well, why don't I?
Wouldn't matter.
If you
Well,
were
if I
able to
set a
postpone.
PR,
then.
So
You're still not. Here's what I'll do.
So it doesn't.
I will, I'm not gonna do anything today.
I believe
I'll
my agent
consider
would lift my
that
hold if I was able
if,
to
once the
postpone.
PD checks and if that's
why don't
true,
if you were
then
able
I'll
to
consider
postpone.
reducing it.
So how about that?
Here's what I'll
Okay,
do.
is the 18th
I will
pretrial?
I'm not gonna
It's
do
a
anything
pretrial.
today. I'll
Yes.
consider
Should I
that
come for immediate
if,
sentencing?
once the PD checks and
Get
if
sentenced?
that's
Well, it
true.
depends on if there's a
Then I'll
plea.
consider reducing
Do you
it.
haven't
How about
even,
that?
Mr.
Warren,
Warren,
so that you
is the
know,
18th
you
pretrial?
haven't even been found
it's a
guilty.
pretrial. Yeah, so
Should
I can't sentence you
come for immediate
because
sentencing?
I have, there's no conviction.
sentenced?
of
well, it
anything.
depends on if there's a
So,
plea.
Mr. Warren,
You
hang
haven't
on.
even.
Here's what I want you to do.
So that you know,
All right, you haven't even
I'm
been
gonna
found
turn it out
guilty.
2
weeks. I want you to
So
talk to your
I
attorney.
can't sentence you
We'll come
because
back and then
I
we'll
have
figure out
your-
what we do at
there's
that
no
time.
conviction of-
And I may consider. So, Mr. Warren, hang on. Here's what I want you to do.
I may consider immediate.
I'm gonna adjourn it out 2 weeks. We got restitution. Talk to your attorney. We'll
That
come
may
back and then we'll
be
figure out what we
applicable
do
in
with
this
that.
case,
I
I
don't know. And I may
Before we
consider,
Agent Michael Crowell.
I may consider immediate sentencing. The problem is we got restitution.
Office?
It's
That may
at the
be
CMH
applicable in
building
this case, I don't
downtown
know.
Ypsilanti on Towner.
Got it.
Agent Michael
That's where I
Crowell report, but it's with Washtenaw County Parole.
Yes. And you have, is it airport? Which, I'll get it. Which,
Can you get, it's
Send me a
at
copy
the
of it also?
CMH building.
Yes.
downtown Ypsilanti on top.
All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All right,
That's
great.
where I report.
This
Thank
is,
you, Judge Washington.
this is a lot better than the last time, right?
And you
Yes,
have,
thank you.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you, Honorable Judge. Can you give me a
You
copy
take
of it
care.
also?
yes,
You too. All right, Mr. Warren?
thank you.
All right,
great.
case people versus
This is-
Shannon Keith.
This is a lot better than the last time, right?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Honorable
And
Judge.
Easling, Your Honor,
You take
I
care.
spoke to her last night.
You too.
I'm asking for adjournment for her to
Court calls case
reconsider.
people versus Shannon
sobriety.
Keith.
Yeah, I'm gonna,
Okay.
To reconsider it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, yeah.
Easling, Your Honor.
Okay, let me
I spoke
ask
to her
this.
last night.
Is she
I'm asking
going
for
to try to
adjournment for
go
her to
through that
reconsider,
process?
Yes, sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And I believe she's already been
To
referred to
reconsider it?
meeting
I'm
with
gonna-
Mr. Ted Heaton.
Okay, let me ask this.
And,
When is that? Is she
Well, she had.
going to try to
She
go
had,
through
and
that process?
At first, it wasn't a fit for her, but after we talked last night, already been referred. She's now meeting with Mr. Gonna find a way to make it work.
Yeah.
And.
Right.
When is that supposed to take?
Well, she had.
I don't know. I
She
need to
had,
know.
and at first, it wasn't a fit.
Will the
for her,
18th be
but
enough time for her
after
to
we talked
figure that
last
out?
night, she's now
The 18th?
gonna find a way to make it work. I'm not sure when the next meeting.
I'm not sure what that means. I don't know. I need to
And
know.
her, we would adjourn so that
Will the 18th be enough
Between
time
now
for her
and the
to
next
figure that
meeting,
out?
It's every other.
it's every other
The
Thursday,
18th.
but I
We'll have
can't
to
remember
find
if
out
it was last week or.
I'm
this
not sure when the
Thursday.
next
Looking at
meeting,
Judge Professor's calendar, I'm not seeing.
And her,
This week,
we
it
would adjourn
looks
so that
like
between now and
there's
the
not
next
one
meeting.
next
It's
week
every
from what I can
other-
tell.
It's every other Thursday, but I can't remember. if it
Okay,
was
so what
last week or
I'll just
this
go to March
Thursday.
I'm
4th,
looking at Judge Professor's calendar, I'm not seeing.
2026.
This week,
9
it
a.m.
looks like
Thank you.
All right.
there's not one next week from what I can tell.
So March 4th, that time to meet.
Okay, so what I'll just go to March
There is
4th,
one on the 12th, I don't know the 18th.
2026.
Oh, there is one on the 12th?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'll adjourn it to the 18th.
So March 4th, that one on the 12th. Mr., you want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send
Well, I
Mr.
don't know
Heaton.
the 18th would.
Okay.
Oh, there
No,
is one on the 12th?
I've already done
Hold
and
on.
paid $100 to do
Then
one
I'll
of
adjourn
these.
it to the 18th.
But I think you need to see him one on the 12th. He was under the impression. You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heaton.
Oh, no, he wasn't. Okay. This
Okay.
was later. This was with my, I've already done and paid $100 to do one of these.
I'm the new, but I think you need to see him again. Don't beat up the new guy. He was under the
No,
impression. 218.
oh, no, he wasn't.
All right.
This was
Okay.
later.
18th,
This was
okay,
with
Steve.
my lawyer. What's her
Go
name?
ahead.
Perini.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
talk to
help me
Heaton.
figure
I'm
it
the
out,
new.
okay.
I'll talk to
I can hear you better today. I
beat up
got
the
new
new guy.
hearing aids. No, I'm done.
218. Thank you.
Yep, all set then? And you'll get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr. Heaton.
Yeah,
I'll
just
talk
help
to
me
him.
figure it out.
I'll talk
I
to
can
him.
hear you better today. I got new hearing aids.
Court calls
you.
case
Yep.
people versus Austin
And you'll
Knox.
get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr.
How much is on
I
that?
know. I got you.
For the judge, portion of fees to assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please state the record.
Court calls case people versus Austin Knox. I'm doing well.
When you're on agreement, go to the people.
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're
much
gonna
is
need
on there?
an adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He
For the
also
judge,
wanted
portion of fees to
to
assistant
make a
public
bond
defender on
request,
behalf
Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium.
Adjourn the matter to March 4th, 2026, 9
How are you
a.m.
doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well. Thank
My
you.
understanding-
How many?
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an
It's in the
adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wanted to make a bond request, Judge.
Adjourn the matter to
Um,
March 4th,
I just spoke with
2026,
Mr. Knox
9
briefly,
a.m.
got to know him a little bit. Apparently he is
How many?
testing through this court through community
It was in the
corrections.
afternoon.
Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. The case that he has, testing.
He,
I
what?
just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly, got to know him a little bit. Testing, but apparently he is on strain on his through this court through community corrections. He indicates that he works apparently Taylor for a alcohol and drug car place as a mechanic. The case that he has doing his testing.
He,
Come in
what?
and test. He indicates he was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed. Strain
How
on
often
his
does he
employment.
test?
He indicates that he works in
Is it
Taylor
once a
for
week?
a
Yeah, even with once a
rental
week,
car
my
place as
boss
a
is getting
mechanic.
upset with me about it.
Leave work early.
They expect
Come
me
in
to
and
be there
test.
from 6
He
to
was hoping
6
maybe
every
the
day.
frequency could be changed.
How often does he test?
Once a week.
Is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
I got you.
Do is I'll reduce it, testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections
But
now?
what I will do is I'll reduce it.
Or-
Testing while you feel like you're.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. All right.
Well, my
Thank you
number
very
is
much,
called
Judge.
today.
Was it? Yeah, I'd go over there and get tested. If they called
do I
it
need to go to
today, go over and
community
test
corrections now?
today.
Talk to my lady or figure out
Why you
once
feel
a
like
month
you're.
thing.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Further that way.
Well, my number is
Talk to
called
her.
today.
Tell
Was
her
it-
that.
yeah,
I'd
since
go
it
over there and get
just you to
tested.
once a
If they
month,
called it
they'll-
today,
they'll
go
get a
over
new
and
order
test
over
today.
Talk to my
Sometime
lady,
today with
figure
that on it.
out the
All
once a
right,
month
but if you test today, then you'll be good further that way.
Thank
All right. Talk to her. Tell her
Thank you,
that
Judge.
that Simpson.
Courthouse case, people versus Elizabeth
They'll
Loman.
get a new order over there. sometime
Ron Brown
today
appearing on
with that
behalf of
on it.
Ms. Loman. She's
All
in
right, but if
Florida.
you
Is
test
she on our
today, then you'll
Zoom?
be good for a while.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, Loman. Oh, there she
Thank you,
is.
Judge.
All right, state your name,
Courthouse case,
please.
people versus Elizabeth Loman.
All right,
Ron Brown, I'm requesting an adjournment. She's in Florida. Is she on our Zoom? Obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th,
Oh,
2026. All right, state your name, please. Bond, continue.
Elizabeth Woman.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Some more discovery I have
Thank
to
you.
obtain.
Courthouse
I'll
case,
adjourn it
people
to March
versus
4th.
Carlos Mack.
2026, 9.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Carlos Mack. Oh, there. Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, there was an
Thank you.
offer tendered by the
Courthouse case, people
prosecution,
versus
but
Carlos
we still
Mack.
have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week in front of you on an OWVI.
Carlos Mack. Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer
February
tendered by the
18, 2026,
prosecution,
9
but we still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week. in front of
Courthouse
you
case, people versus
on an
Elijah
OWVI.
Matthews. February 18, 2026, 9
Thank you.
Matthews. Hopefully he is present.
Courthouse case, Elijah Matthews. Not in.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I would request a show cause. Hopefully he is
Bench
present.
warrant, Elijah Matthews. He's not in. That warrant will issue.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday.
Thank you.
He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the
Courthouse
video.
case of the
I
people
don't know why he's
versus
not
Chauncey
present. I would
Milligan.
request a show cause or adjournment.
Bench warrant,
Ron Brown,
5,000,
Chauncey
10%.
I believe he's on
That warrant will
Zoom.
issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
There he is. Okay. Courthouse case of the people versus Chauncey Milligan. All right.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan. I believe he's requesting an adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able to
There he
relay
is.
it to him.
Okay, got it. We got it. She's motor. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. 2026, 9 a.m.
Requesting an
Okay.
adjournment. There's an offer in the
Okay.
case. I haven't been able to
All right.
relay
You
it
take
to him.
care. Got it.
You too.
All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March
Courthouse case,
4th.
people versus Jessica.
All right. 26, 9 a.m. Okay?
Judge Torshov, please,
Okay.
Assistant Public Defender on behalf of
All
Ms.
right.
Mitchell, who's
You
supposed to be
take
voting.
care.
You too.
Please state your name for the record.
Courthouse case, people versus Jessica.
Thank you, Judge. I believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She's hoping I'm getting an offer from Mr. Cook that might keep the record clean.
So what?
That might be record. She's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge, so she wants.
Thank you.
She has had no problem for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years.
She's hoping I'm getting an offer. So she's trying to maintain a clean track record.
7 years?
That might be record clean. She's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge, so she wants.
What?
She has had no problem for the last 7 years, so she's.
7 years, eh?
Judge.
No.
So she's trying to
So
maintain. Proud of you too,
a
Judge.
clean can happen. Good 7 years?
7 years, Judge. I'm gonna get at her back, Judge.
I'm adjourning to March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
Thank you, Judge. Get at her back, Judge.
Court does call the case, people versus Whitney Mitchell, 2026.
Ready,
9
Judge.
a.m.
Torshov, please.
All right, thank you, man.
Appearing on behalf of Ms. Mitchell.
Mitchell's in Zoom. Court does call the case, people
Miss
versus
Mitchell?
Whitney Mitchell.
Yes.
All right, I need a camera, please.
Assistant Public
Okay, I'm
Defender on
trying to-
behalf of Ms.
Okay, sorry.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're
but-
not
Mitchell?
driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job.
All right, I need a camera,
I just
please.
went to the car.
Okay.
Okay, I'm hear me. Okay, sorry.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. Where we go?
Thank you, Judge. I just speak to Ms. yesterday.
You're not driving,
has already
right?
done a private
No, I'm
assessment,
parked outside of my
but she has
job
not been able to have
waiting
the
to
records
clock
turned over
in. I
yet
just
to
went to the
the
car,
Okay.
couldn't hear me.
appropriate people. So she's willing to
Okay,
do
gotcha.
a assessment with
Okay.
Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her
has already
paycheck.
done a private
So she's requesting an
assessment,
adjournment so she
but
can do
she
a
has
new
not been able to have the
assessment.
records turned over
And
yet
she'll
to
do that
the,
after she's paid appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman
we need to
or one
get
of the
this thing
other people
moving.
after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment so
And
she can do a
then
new
what's the
assessment.
hope with the
And she'll
assessment?
do
I
that
guess
after she's paid. Yes.
Yeah, I believe we're working on getting
We need to get
Sobriety.
this thing moving. Okay,
Yes,
gotcha.
Judge. That's what the notes indicate, Judge, yes.
And then, so I'll adjourn this out then to March 4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
I believe we're
You
working
gotta
on
get that
getting
done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
gotcha.
I'll go. I'll
That's what the notes
set
indicate,
it up.
Judge, yes.
All right, so I'll
Thank you.
adjourn this out then
Thank
to
you.
March 4th. Court
Thank
calls
you,
case
Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
Looking back at today's proceedings, the courtroom handled several very different situations, but one theme remained constant: accountability. We saw defendants request adjournments, attorneys work through procedural issues, a bench warrant issued for failure to appear, and multiple guilty pleas accepted after detailed questioning by the judge. In the featured retail fraud case, the defendant admitted participating in a plan to remove merchandise without paying, leading the court to accept the plea and order a pre-sentence investigation before sentencing. Cases like these demonstrate how even seemingly minor decisions can have long-term legal consequences that follow a person well beyond the courtroom. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
You gotta get that done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Okay, I'll go. I'll set it up.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mary.
Thank you.
Mary.
Thank you.
Your name, sir? Court calls
John
case
Neary.
versus
How you
John
doing?
Neary.
Yes, sir. I mean, good morning. How you doing? How you doing, Alan?
Oh, there he is. All right. What are we doing?
517.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Neary.
620.
Your name, sir?
John Neary.
215.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I didn't-
Good
I
morning.
didn't
How you
have the
doing?
numbers.
How you doing, Alan?
All
We'll
right.
call you.
They called me yesterday.
I'll adjourn it out. What are we doing? March 4th,
March, requesting adjournment.
2026, 9 a.m.
Zero.
All right. The bond will continue. Sir, how's your family?
Yeah, I didn't
Had
have.
a little turn for the worse there.
We'll call you.
2 weeks ago.
I'll adjourn it out to March
Won't hold
4th,
like that.
March
They,
4th.
she's up to U of M now.
2026,
She's up
9
like do
a.m.
another surgery.
All right. His bond will
I have to
continue.
feel like I started
Sir,
going.
how's your family? All right.
So it's a pad. Hell of a
I got you. You know you're still under pardon?
Yes, sir. I do. I was told, but not like
Take
that.
care.
She's up at U of M now. She's like.
Oh,
I didn't say nothing.
All right.
So it's a pad. It's not.
I got you. You know you're still under. Court calls the case, people versus Russell Norville. Take care.
You're on agreement to the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf.
I didn't say nothing with him like that.
Sir, state your name.
Russell Norvell.
Thank you, sir.
Court calls the case, people
I'm
versus
requesting
Russell
adjournment. I'm
Norville.
still trying to get the other video. Ron Brown appearing on behalf. I talked to him.
There's another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, state your name. Adjourn this to
Russell
March
Norvell.
4th, 2026, 9
I'm
a.m.
requesting adjournment. I'm still trying to get
All right.
the
Thank you,
other
sir.
video.
Thank you,
Show him
sir.
what I had. I talked to him.
There's another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the recall.
Adjourn this to March 4th.
Okay.
Case 2026, 9 a.m. bond. An hour.
Thank you.
Well, that was.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Sir, your attorney's on his way down.
That's the recall for Mr. Bird.
Thank you. Court's in recess.